Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create games on Canva. So by games here, I mean the game quiz that you can share with your followers on the social media. So in here, I've already opened the Canva apps, and to easily create games, you just need to search Canva templates, type in the games as the keyword, and here you'll be provided by a bunch of templates that you can use as the games for your social media. So for example, I'm going to just use this word search game. Click on the template, and here the games template will be open. So what you need to do is just meet or modify the template as you like. You can change the color background. For example, I'm going to change it into this color. You can also change the word, for example, or you can change word search about. Okay okay, you can just change it into the one you want. About school, for example, then you can change this box word in the template. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.